Hey there, legacy builder. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into 8 financial tips that school might have missed out on. These are the tips and tricks that can truly make a difference in your bank account. Trust me, I have been there and I know how overwhelming it can feel. But fear not, because I've got your back. So, grab a cup of something wonderful, get cozy, and let's chat about how to save some serious cash. You might want to save this video and come back to it later. Let's go. 1. Embrace the power of meal planning. Let me tell you a story. Back when I was in varsity, I used to eat out all the time. It was convenient, sure, but it also was burning a hole in my pocket. Then I discovered meal planning. Not only did it save me a ton of money, but it also helped me eat healthier too. Plus, cooking at home can be a great way to unwind after a long day. Number 2, shop secondhand like a pro. Thrift shopping, my favorite pastime. You won't believe the treasures you can find at thrift stores. From designer clothes to vintage furniture, there is something for everyone. And the best part, it's a fraction of the price you'd pay at a regular store. So, next time you need something, whether it's a new outfit or home decor, why not give thrift shopping a try? So if you are looking for the best ways to invest in real estate so that you can become financially free, then visit Property Ask Ekow to book my free consultation. Number 3, DIY whenever you can. Let me share a little secret with you. DIY projects can save you a ton of money. Whether it's changing your door handle or making your own cleaning products, there is something incredibly satisfying about doing things yourself. Plus, it's a great way to learn new skills and get creative. Number 4, this is the best. Cut the cord on cable. Okay, I will admit it, I used to be a cable addict, but then I realized just how much money I was wasting on channels I never even watched. So, I made the switch to streaming services instead. Not only are they way cheaper, but also give you an access to a ton of great content. Trust me, once you cut the cord, you will never look back. If you are enjoying this video, then smash the like button so that together we can get this video spread out to more people like us and hopefully help them as well. Number 5, invest in energy efficiency. Let's talk about saving money on your bills. One of the best investments you can make is invest in energy appliances. Sure, they might cost a little more upfront, but they will save you a bundle in the long run. Plus, you'll be doing your bit for the environment too. Number 6, take advantage of cashback rewards. If you are not using cashback rewards, you are leaving money on the table. Seriously, it's like getting paid to shop. Whether it's through a credit card or a cashback app, there are plenty of ways to earn rewards on your everyday purchases. So, why not make your money work for you? If this video is helping you in some way, this channel is for you. Subscribe. Number 7, learn to love budgeting. Okay, I know, budgeting might sound boring, but hear me out. Budgeting is the key to financial freedom. It's like having a roadmap for your money. It tells you where you are going and how to get there. And trust me, once you start budgeting, you would wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 8, let's talk about the art of delayed gratification. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with ads telling us to buy, it can be hard to resist temptations. But learning to delay gratification can have a huge impact on your finances. So next time you are tempted to make an impulse purchase, try and wait 24 hours and see if you still want it. Chances are you will thank yourself later. If you are still watching, comment "I'm a legacy builder" below. Your engagement means the world to me. And there you have it, legacy builder, 8 financial tips to help you save like a pro. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of things you love. It's about being smart with your money so that you can live the life you want. So go ahead, give these tips a try and watch your savings grow. God bless you. Peace.
Be a legacy builder. Watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.